So last night I posted a video to say that DJI had released a new app update covering the DJI MAVIC Mini, the Mini 2 and the MAVIC Air 2. This app version was version 1.2.4, however it didn't seem to come with any release notes. So what I decided to do was reach out to DJI and find out what exactly was new within this new update. So if you look on screen now, this was the initial response I received from them, from the technical support, basically saying they did not quite know what the difference was at this time. However, as of 7:30 this morning UK time, I have now got a reply. So as you can see on screen, the difference for Android users, it supports in-app updates to allow you to download and install the latest version of DJI Fly, adds device management under profile to allow you to learn more of your DJI devices and check their usage data. Now that is actually quite relevant because the DJI flight logs when the drone was turned off wasn't actually showing for me, so that possibly fixes that. And then we have fixes certain issues and improvements overall app stability and user experience. So hopefully that will also fix people's apps crashing, not to mention any black screen issues. Now it does actually state for iOS users, DJI Fly now remembers the screen orientation when launching DJI Fly using the same aircraft model with portrait orientation lock enabled, adds device management the same as Android, and fixes certain issues and improves overall app stability and user experience. So once again, that tells me this is possibly a fix. I did see some comments regarding this is something to do with the MAVIC Air 2 using the function button, but that is not what I've just received from DJI. It looks to me like it's an overall stability program and possibly fix those flight log issues as well. So hopefully you found this useful. If you haven't watched the video on how to install manually, please do check that out. That is in the link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching and see you again soon.